action by our students, then we were definitely going to be under physical presence restrictions, and we would be required to be authorized. The little blue circles are states in which they have a faculty employing a faculty in their state constitutes physical presence, so we wanted to make sure that we were really aware of those. And then the ones with the stars, the ones we're going to talk about more specifically today, those are the states in which we found that there was a proctoring restriction under their physical presence rules. So the proctoring restriction states, for us what we found is that Oklahoma, Oregon, Ohio, Rhode Island, and West Virginia all have a proctoring restriction in their state. And those proctoring restrictions basically mean that if you require a student to identify a proctor and see that proctor face-to-face in order to complete an exam, then that is considered to be physical presence. And we could be exempt with every other rule in that state. We didn't trip any of the other physical triggers except proctoring. And that meant we had to make decisions about how we were going to proceed. How did we find those? Well, the first way that we found them was we just read the regulations. We started pulling regulations and we read them through, and some of them specifically say that. The main way we found them, however, was using our resource document. So this is a little cutout of what was in the state authorizations inventory from SHIO under West Virginia. So if you remember, we looked at West Virginia's. It didn't specifically say proctoring. However, SHIO's